Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a drop-down menu on Squarespace. This tutorial is on the web version. First, open the Pages menu from your dashboard. You'll find it in the left-hand sidebar under Website. Once you click it, the Pages panel opens and you'll see your site structure with the main navigation section visible at the top. Next, we're going to add the drop-down. Look for the plus icon sitting right next to where it says Main Navigation and click it. A pop-up menu will appear showing you different page type options. Now scroll down through that pop-up menu until you reach the very bottom. You'll see a section labeled More, and underneath it there's an option called Drop-Down. Click on Drop-Down. As soon as you do that, an empty drop-down will appear in your Pages panel. A title field appears automatically where the drop-down was just created. Type in whatever you want to call your drop-down menu. This is the name that visitors will see in your site's navigation bar when they browse your site. Keep in mind that drop-downs aren't actual pages, so you can't add content directly to them. They're just containers for organizing your navigation structure. Now it's time to add pages to your drop-down. Find any existing page in your Pages panel that you want to include in the drop-down menu. Click on that page, hold it down, and drag it over. Then drop it into the space directly below the drop-down you just created. You'll know it's nested correctly when the page slides slightly to the right, showing it's now under the drop-down. Repeat this drag and drop process for as many pages as you want to include in that menu. Once you've added all your pages, let's check how it actually looks. Click the Preview button, which should be in the top right corner of your dashboard. Alternatively, if your site is already published and live, just open it in a new browser tab. On desktop, hover your mouse over the drop-down title in your navigation bar. The pages should drop down below it in a list. On mobile devices, the drop-down will be collapsed by default and opens when someone taps it. One thing to note here, clicking the drop-down title itself doesn't open the first page by default in the current version. It's hover, only behavior on desktop. After you've set up your drop-down, you can easily reorder the pages inside it anytime by dragging and dropping them into a different sequence. If you need to rename the drop-down later on, just click the gear icon that appears next to it and you can change the page title, navigation title, or URL slug from there. You can also create multiple drop-downs for different sections of your navigation if you need to organize lots of pages, but just know you can't nest a drop-down inside another drop-down. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.